a boy, I need no sympathy. 'Cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, and now I've got to throw it away. As if nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. Easy come, will you let me go? Kiss me, Lord, no, we will not let you go. Let me go. We will not let you go. Let me go. We will not let you go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia.
that song exactly the same. When I started singing, I was thinking, thank God somebody else performs like this as well. That was amazing, babe. You got a set of lungs on her. Well done. Zoe.
Like, I'm still processing that a sec. Like, I'm literally, but what can you say about that? Like, that was so, intriguing. It was so intriguing. Like, I was just like, oh my God, like, the dynamics was spot on, the light and shade, and we went up the octave, and I see it, no, I'm not even gonna do it, but that was like insane. Like, I can't verbally explain how much I loved that. Like, the breath control was spot on. It was absolutely insane. It was a very brave song choice, and I think it's safe to say you absolutely. Yeah, I'm not surprised, but you absolutely smashed it, honestly. Like,
one thing I will say is like, it's Queen, so I was like,
yeah.
Why don't I take my spin on Queen?
It worked.
Yeah, you did it. Honestly, you should be so proud of that. That was absolutely mind blowing. That was insane. Well done.
Thanks, so Penny.
Yeah, I've been really looking forward to this because it's a really clever song choice. But I do have my suspicions you might be a robot after that performance. Some of the notes you hit, some of the things you were doing, it's like, what? it was like several different people in one performance. It was mind-blowing in such an amazing way, just to sit here and watch that. The energy was just like electric, and you even headbanged. It was just fantastic. And I love the fact that you took this amazing, big, iconic song and thought, no, I'm not going to do it how everybody else tries to do it. I'm going to put my spirit in this, and I'm going to perform it my way. And you smashed it out of the park. It was one of the most memorable performances, I think, that I've ever seen in my life. It was just that clever, the way that you arranged it, the way you performed it, and you were shaking like a leaf. I could see how scared you were, and you managed to do all that whilst you were terrified. Oh my God, you come and sit here. You judge me. That's what should happen. It was fantastic. Well done.
Chelsea, yeah, right, my face was hurting from how much grinning I was doing throughout that then. It's because, right, it's odd, it's different. And a couple of weeks ago when we heard you at the boot camp, and this is exactly what I saw visually, what you needed to do to really stand out. And in a competition like this, where there is a lot of talent, you, including yourself, it's so important to stand out. And you know, it's such a tough search. We've seen so many different styles and different techniques over the years, and you've got to stand out. You've got to be bold. You've got to be different, not just vocally, but visually and everything. And that's exactly what you've done, and today even more than the previous weeks, because I'm guessing that you're inspired by Queen and everything, and for you to do what you just done with that and to make it work like that. And I just said it to Sibel, but I kind of shut my eyes for like a split second. I was like, whoa, this is something you would see on The Voice. This is what, when they have their opera singers on, because they don't have many successful on there, but when they do, this is the sort of thing you see. And so you're offering yourself into a current audience, and that's exactly what you need to do, because like I said to you, the style of music you do, it is one of them ones that does get overlooked because it is only so much of a market to it. And that's why for you to sell yourself in 2021, you need to be bold, you need to be brave with these choices, and you absolutely, honestly, by any standard, and I'll be honest with you, I got a funny feeling after this you'll go, that's not my best performance. I know you'll do that because in my opinion, as amazing that was, I don't think that was your best, you know? But it was absolutely remarkably clever what you just done, and what you did with it vocally, the changes now was just another level. That's how you stand out, not just in this competition, but in the industry. That's exactly what you've got to do. You've got to make people stop and look, and that's what you did. Well done. Massive round of applause for it, guys.